Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Z70 Ultra and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection it is required, and then you can enter the settings. Here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update, and then tap on System Update at the top. Give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see, your device will check for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you can simply tap on Update or Download and update the system. The second scenario is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, it will show you the relevant information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.